Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you a full teardown of the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7. After this teardown, we will gonna make a teardown of the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8. Also, I want to test if the 5-inch woofer can be switched with one woofer from the JBL Bar 2.1. This I think has 8 inches. So let's try to make a teardown and not damage the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7. Let's go. So as we can see, we removed the cover, the front cover. That was very easy. Just press on these clips on every side and the front cover will pop out. You see the clips here goes inside these holes. Now let's try to disassemble the big speaker. We have 6 bulbs. Let's take one out. This is a very simple procedure. So we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and underneath it all we have 6 screws. Now let's try and unscrew them. So this is the first one, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think 8, and we have one more here. And this is the last screw. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 screws to take out the panel. So let's try and take off the cover. Okay, let's see inside. So here we have the 5-inch speaker. Here we have the control panel. This is the bass reflex membrane, and this is the motherboard. Let's see where it is okay, here is the battery. It's very small. That is very nice. Let's see what it says on the speaker. So it doesn't write anything on the speakers. Here are the 2 tweeters, and let's see what we can do next. So now we're gonna take off this. We want to see what is under the motherboard. So we did. Now we have the back of the speaker and the center speaker. This is the connector, the motherboard, the battery, the tweeters, and the woofer. let's see what is under the motherboard. This is the connector for the controls on the speakers. And in my opinion, the Harman Kardon 7 Onyx Studio 7 compared with the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8, it's almost the same. It has the same woofer, the same tweeters. In my opinion, it has the same power. The only difference is the connectivity. Also, the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8 has the power adapter inside it. You only have one cable. You don't have the power adapter outside of it. It is built in. So let's see what's under the motherboard. Okay, well, the motherboard, here we have the connection with the woofer, the connection with the tweeters, and as you can see, it's a kind of a simple speaker, but well thought. As you can see, it has one bass reflex membrane on the front, and it also has one on the back. You see, so it has two bass reflex. Well, that is the reason why the bass that comes from this little woofer, the 5-inch woofer, is so big. Remember, I had a video when I show you how to improve the sound. Just press on the Bluetooth button for 2 seconds and then long press on the volume minus button for about 10 seconds, and you will activate the bass boosted module. So let's go further. Okay, this is the connector for the battery. So this powers up the motherboard, and on the other side we have another connector for the tweeters. The battery is one lithium-ion, and the capacity voltage 4.2, nominal voltage 3.6 volts, and has 3250 milliamps here. So now we want to unplug the woofer, because we want to test if the woofer that comes from the JBL Bar 2.1, the new JBL Bar MK2, will work connected to the motherboard of the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7. So let's see. And now we will make a test with the Harman Kardon, the original Harman Kardon speaker, the 5-inch. We are gonna turn on the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7. We are gonna see how much decibels is measured, and hopefully we will see So this is the 5 inches, and this is the 6.5 from JBL. remember, the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7 has the same woofer, same sound, and in my opinion the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8 that I will show you in a moment, the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8 is not worth it. In my opinion, the better one is the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7. So this is the full teardown of the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7. As you can see, this is the motherboard, this is the 5-inch woofer, the tweeters, and what is really interesting, that it has 2 bass reflex membrane, and it is very simple. Here we have a small battery, and hope this will work again. We will make a sound test after this, but it is very well built. So what do you think? What is your opinion about this teardown? Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers!